All right. Cool. That must be the coolest ticker name. All right, NASDAQ. Cool is Polarityte Inc. NASDAQ. And check it out. Thank you. StageAnalysis.net. US stock screeners. There's a whole bunch. I had to scroll through a few. And this one made my visual ID checklist. It's crazy, right? You got screeners, which are probably mechanical to recuperate a whole bunch of stocks. But then after that, they don't always all look the same. And then after that, you just look at it and you get a feel of what you want to see. And that's it, guys. All right, monthly candles. Let's see where my monthly defined breakout lines are. All right, right here. Let's explode that. Explode. And I have some support here at 1727. Ooh, is that a breakout candle on the monthly candle chart? Ooh, and look at that. I was just looking here, but if you scoot all the way back here, coincides with some more resistance. And this is just so sweet. Look at that, man. Starting to scream, buy me. All right, it's still early in the month. 6th of June. This could easily end up being a wick like this, right? Remember all these months that had above that breakout line around the 29 area. Those wicks coming back down. This one, the tip here. Those are all false breakouts on the monthly defined breakout lines. But any hoot, now we're already, instead of just wishing for the price action to go above the breakout line, we're already there. So that's very positive. Now it's just a question of staying there, maintaining there. And this would be the implied measure move all the way to 41.75. Guys, this is nice. Nice. All right. Let's scoot over to 29.50. A close above that. Monthly defined breakout. Target 41.75. Stan Weinstein's. My Secret Wars still going on strong. I've mostly done Secret Wars episodes now for the better part of my podcast on YouTube. And I kind of like it. I still started getting a final formula, applying my classic chart trading framework on the monthly charts like I always do or did. You can check all the previous podcasts. So that's my top view. And then I drill down. And then on the weekly, I apply Stan Weinstein. And if they're in harmony and they have breakouts in both directions, in the same direction, then that says buy me or short me. Okay. So now what do we see here? Ichimoku cloud. No overhead, no red cloud above us. That would be resistance. We're above the green, which is support. If you're above the green, that means you're in a stage 2. So right here, you got a stage 4, stage 1, stage 2. Stage 2. Check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here, you would have exited here. And you had some pullbacks. I look here at the shape of the RSI, like a V shape. It gives me another clue where I had my pullbacks on the weekly. So half your position here, other half violation of that sell stop here for traders and investors. Where would you have entered? Right here, I think. Wow, somewhere here. This breakout right here above the Ichimoku cloud. Imagine you enter here, breakout right away, spike, I'm rich, and then pull back. 1 to 3 months, guys, pull back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. So that's a month and a half, pull back. Let's zoom in. This merits additional look at. There's the volume candle right here. It's kind of skewed because this one has crazy volume. So if we zoom in, wow, sorry about that. There you go. You see that this is twice the average volume of the previous 4 weeks. So that's a breakout. And breakout. What happens after that? Pull back on low contracting volume. And where's the breakout line? But here it didn't quite go down. That's why I try to set my alerts a range just a little bit above. I don't know if I would have got triggered it. But after that, when the price action starts going down and contracting volume, when you see a bottom, not a bottom, but a red, either red or green. In green, you could enter here, right there, when it starts, or if you really want to be safe, this candle right here, it could have re-entered here, take another position. It confirms that the trend that was a pullback, not a correction, not a reversal, because it was on low volume, closer towards the breakout line. And then after that, price action starts going back up, and then you could go in additionally here. Enter here, your sell stop below the breakout pattern, which would be all the way down here. And after that, off she went to a classic stage 2, guys. Look at that. Again, if you want more details, how to move the sell stops, how to identify the pullbacks when the price action goes back up, moving the sell stop below the low here for the trader, below the low, below the 30-week moving average for investors, go look at all my the long ones, the long episodes of the Secretwars saga. And I go in great detail, doing some revisionist history, and going through previous stage 2s and 4s, and how to exit, how those trend lines get you out pretty much close to the top when the price action starts winding down, either entering a stage 3, consolidation, whatever, you get out. And then after that, you get to reanalyze before you go in, if it's a stage 2 continuation breakout or a stage 4 breakdown. Go check those out, guys. They're long, but worth it. All right. So here we are. After that, stage 3. See that support, the Ichimoku cloud, very important not to play anything until you really got a breakdown below that, and just roaming around that Ichimoku defined support. And after that, bounce up. This cloud, man, a great tip from Isa Trader. It gets you, it avoids you false breakdowns. And now, after that, we're considering a stage 2 breakout after this stage 3 right here. Stage 2, stage 3, and then stage 3 continuation. God, if the week could end here, man, this would be pretty good. Tomorrow is Thursday. Even here, you can make a case that it was breaking out right here. Look at these volume candles here. It even started right here, even more. Breakout within breakout. Poof, poof. Twice the average volume of the previous 4 weeks. Twice the average volume of the previous 4 weeks. And then this one's getting harder and harder to surpass. Volume contracts. You see that? Red candle. Sideways action. Let's pull back here. On shrinking volume. This is great sign. Not a reversal. It's a pullback. And it's not pulling back that much. But now you're getting another breakout right here. So you have the monthly defined breakout at the 29.49 level if it stays above that. You have the weekly breakout that's happening right now. And you have the crazy volume already. So Thursday's candle is going to add on to that. Fridays, man, this volume is going to be twice the average of the previous 4 weeks because of these 2 candles here on the pullback. So cool is possible entry at the end of the week at La Stan Weinstein. And if you really, really want to have make sure you're not gonna fall into a false breakout and whatever. Wait for that monthly candle breakout, guys, to close. Let's just go look at it one more time. Yeah, just make sure it closes, guys. I've seen it too often. You think you're there, and the last few days of the month, sucks back in, and then you have this long wick here below the breakout line. I've seen it. Don't lose those 1% NAVs for nothing. And looks pretty sweet, guys. All right, cool. I like it. Keeping that chart open and see how the week ends, and after that, how the month ends. That's it. See ya. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do.